Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open an Emirates NBD bank account. So in order to do it, you first of all have to come on the official website of Emirates Bank, that is emiratesnbd.com. Now once you are on this page, you need to hover over to the accounts tab in the top, and here you will see whether you want to open current account, savings account, or which type of account basically you want to open here. So most probably you want to open savings accounts, so you need to simply click on the savings accounts option, and then you need to scroll down a bit in order to see what type of accounts you can open over here, and the eligibility criteria and some of other details. So here you will see a bunch of different savings accounts, like savings account, the normal one, smart saver account, family savings account. So among the given savings accounts, you will have to select which type of account do you want to open. Let's say you want to open the normal savings account, so you need to click on the apply now button over here, and after clicking on apply now, you will be redirected on this page. Now over here it will ask whether you are an existing customer. So if you are, you need to select yes and provide your full name, your email address, your mobile number, and bunch of other details. Now if you are not linked with Emirates Bank in any way, you will have to select no. Then it will ask you, are you a UAE national? So you will have to select yes or no. I would recommend to select the right information here. So if you select yes, you need to provide your full name, your email address, your phone number, your Emirates ID, and your income details. If you select no, you will have to also provide the same details here and press next. So this is basically the form that you need to fill out as per your own credentials and your requirements. So you will have to just give the information that it asks you to give, and you need to simply submit your application to open your bank account here. Now you will be able to connect it with the bank with the help of the email address. So once you get the email address with your username and password, those will be your login credentials. So once you have successfully opened your Emirates NBD bank account, you can use those credentials in order to log in into your account and get access to it, and you can start using it. Basically, you need to fill out this form. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.